Wabokia. Emanano. Ewunu wagwalo remana. Wakobo kugbe. Warikpopo nogu wani dae. Wami ewunu wagwalo.
Come Baba. That was the wise one. Bring your staff.
I get the bones! The bones! Let's get it!
No! Don't go!
What is it?
Remember, the chief priest said only this bag can pick it. Only this bag.
The bag?
Yes.
The bag, Eke?
Yes.
Get it.
It's only this bag.
Eke, get the bones. Go and get it. Go and get it. Eke! We have the bones! We have the bones!
Greetings, eyes of the gods.
May the gods be with you, my son. Come. Go and get 1 or 2 youths and meet me up on the way to the river. The boys are on their way.
Oh, okay. I'll do just that, eyes of the gods.
I shall be waiting for you.
Okay. Oh, greetings, eyes of the gods.
Welcome, my children. May the gods be with you. Say, let us go. They should be by the river bank now.
Stop. Easy. Warrior. Easy. Hey, get me home. Easy. You are a warrior again. Again, we are home. We are back home.
Ghost of Allah.
Oh! Do not touch them! Baby, you're back. Why you can walk a day? Yeah, pause. Why? I'm not born. You can assist them now.
No be talk well.
You know talk well.
What happened?
No, the boys are back. Oh, here they comes. The boys.
God.
God of Allah. Thank you. You are welcome.
Welcome, my children. And where are the others?
Ogie, they all died. They all died at the evil forest.
They all died? What? The priests?
Including the prince.
Hey, baby, so.
ingwa sanikao. Eno gimao. La weno maizegwe.
Ogie, I talk way. Ogie, we are very sorry for those who lost their children on this trip. They shall never be forgotten. And I assure you, Ogie, their families will be rewarded. Ogie, I talk way.
Ogie, I talk way.
He said,
Eyes of the gods. Our able warriors, I welcome you home. We thank the gods for sparing your lives. Please, did they manage to come home with the bones?
Here are the bones.
Sir.
Here are the bones. These bones represent our body, and we shall bury it accordingly.
So be it. Youth leader, please take your boys and lead these ones to their various homes. Let them get freshened up, eh?
Ogie, I talk way.
Since I came back, I have been asking you just one question and you have not given me the answer. Onyema, where is my mother? Since I returned, I have not seen my mother and you're not saying anything. Onyema, where is my mother? Onyema, where is my mother? Where is Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Tell your husband that I will always stand behind him, that I will always be there for him, and that I will always love him like a child. Do you understand? whenever you appear, there is sorrow. What do you want?
I am not your mate. And you know we can never be mates. Irrespective of who I am and all that has happened, I am not your mate. I am not your mate either. You know that the community has offended me. I have come to collect that which rightly belongs to me.
What did you say?
Am I the one that offended you? Now listen. How dare you? Surugada is the dance of the spirit. And whoever hears the sound of the dance is in trouble. He who sees that dance is in trouble as well.
So be warned. Listen.
The land of the spirit is filled up with spirit. The land of the living is also filled up with spirits.
Be warned.
Catch it! I must take your son now! Then you must go through me. And if you go through me, you cannot
Before her death, she said, even if she will not see you again, that she will always be with us. And we should not fear.
You mean my mother is dead? So you mean my mother is dead? She could not wait for me to come back from the evil forest and see her face again before she died. Okay. Where is her grave? Where's my mother's grave?
Her body disappeared.
How? Why? Why would my mother disappear? Why? How will her body disappear just like that? Huh?
The people of our land said because she was killed by the gods.
By the gods? Why will the gods kill my mother? Why? Why will the gods kill my mother just like that? What has she done? What's wrong has she done?
My husband, it's only the gods that can fetch answers. It's coming.
Yeah, my son, my son.
Don't worry.
I am happy to see you again. I'm happy that you made it alive. I know you went through a lot in the forest. Chai.
Baba,
You people will need to go and thank Ekhator. He is the one who protected my life. He saved me from so many evils and dangers. Baba, if not for him, I would have been dead long since.
I didn't know he's this powerful. Where did he get his powers?
Baba, I don't know. Baba, do you know that Ekhator sees evil spirits before they come and destroys them?
Is that serious?
I'm telling you the truth.
All I know is that I am happy that you and Ekhator came back alive. May the gods be praised.
They need to be praised.
So, Baba, when are you going to greet him? At least he needs to be thanked.
I'm planning to go and see him in the next 3 market days. Should the gods still keep him alive?
I even heard that his mother is dead.
We all heard about it. That's an unfortunate story. But the worst is that her corpse is still missing.
But why?
Only the gods can give answers to such questions. Most people that died in that calamity, their corpses are still not found.
Baba, the gods must be wicked then. How can they kill an innocent person and take the body away? What kind of a thing is that?
My son, don't say such. Don't just speak ill against the gods before they kill you. Please. Please.
Okay, Baba. This is not fair. But at least, let me go and say Ekhator. At least let me console him for the death of his mother. Let me go, Papa.
It's alright. It's alright.
Please come back home on time, bro.
I will, Mama.
This is what you're facing. Still spinning to so many of us. Nobody can tell where the crops are. Where they are disappeared.
I forgot.
You again? What do you want this time?
Ese is being too stubborn. I have been pleading with her to have mercy on the land, but yet she made another demand.
Another demand? But a demand has been met. Her bone was brought into this kingdom and has long been buried as instructed by her. So what else does she want?
Ese demands that the Enoge who caused her shameful death cried round the village for his subjects to see.
Enoge. But that is not possible. And it is a taboo for the Enoge to cry before a subject. And not only that, the Enoge you just talked about has long joined our ancestors. He is now a spirit. Why is Ese making things difficult for this land? Why?
I know, but that is her demand, and you just have to do something. Eyes of the gods, you just have to do something, else more calamities upon calamities will fall on the land. Eyes of the gods, please do something. You just have to do something to save this land, please.
Agbára mi kí á yá mi ẹgbẹ́ yóò. Agbára mi kí á yá mi ẹgbẹ́ omi sá o. Spirits and mortals.
Ogie, where do you think you are going?
Your Highness, I am going to provide solution to the calamity that befalls our people.
That the king should cry before his subjects?
But, Your Highness, that is a demand.
No. No. And no more mortal? I should come from a spirit realm and cry before mortal men? No. She made 2 demands. Assume her body, bring back home. That it's okay. But for a king to cry before his subjects? No. Never.
But, Your Highness, what do you have me do?
My son will decide that. My son will decide that. My son will decide that.
Amevogue rien sans fourré.
We arrive Yogio.
Amevogue rien sans fourré.
Iwe Iviogi.
Amevogue rien sans fourré.
Na arrive Yogio.
Amevogue rien sans fourré.
Iviogi.
Amevogue rien sans fourré.
Thank the gods you are here. The demand of a sea is impossible. The Enogie is already a spirit. Spirits cannot cry before mortals. Even if it does, his tears cannot be felt by the people because he is a spirit. Help me beg a sea to let the present Enogie do the cry. Please.
I am the gods. Your Highness, the hawk has been patient enough. Why can't you do what the gods ask of you? Or is it wrong for the gods to ask his creatures to cry for his sweet?
So you expect me, a king, to cry around the village? No, it is not possible. Ogie, it's not possible.
Your Your Highness, the gods has made their decision. So cry and save the people of this land.
You are talking as if I am not affected. I am as affected as every other person in this village. So the gods should have known that we have suffered enough. And then this very demand should have been settled down. No, it's not possible.
It's only a stubborn fly that follows the course to the grave. They warn your majesty. The gods have spoken. What kind of life is this?
It is better you come and take my life then.
I wish my son was the only one that came back. All this reward would have been for me and my family. Yes, including the throne would have belonged to my son. Now that the king have lost all his children, I think I have to look for a way to eliminate Ekomagbe. Yes, so that he will not be able to drag anything with my son. After all, he has no background. His parents are all dead and gone. Do not have anyone to help him. Yes. Just relax and wait for me. By the time I am done dealing with you, you will know this life is of two faces.
But my sister, how is that possible?
My sister, I don't know.
So you mean our own Enoge will just wake up one morning and start crying around the village?
My dear sister, even an ordinary person can't do it, let alone the Enoge.
Enoge? My dear, it is very difficult. Let's watch how it goes.
Yes, you must see Enoge. What? It's not possible. How can people be dying like that in our community? And he's keeping quiet. Yes, he's quiet. We must go and meet the youth leader right now. We are going there now. We are going there now. Yes, we are going there together.
Okay, man, talk away. Great youths of my village, I welcome you all. I wonder what brings you to my palace in this anger. Ogiwa, talk away. Sir.
Ogiwa, we came on behalf of the youths. Ogiwa, we came to beg you. We're here to beg you and ask you to listen and do what the chief priest asked you to do. Please.
Yes, your highness. A king does not sit and watch his people die like chickens. We plead that you provide solution to our problem.
Ogiwa, And we, the entire youth of this kingdom, we are not happy about this situation at all. See, we are aware that you know that some able-bodied men from this kingdom went into the evil forest, but only 2. I mean, just 2 came back alive. Okay, wow. You need to do something.
I know. I know, my great youths, I know. And I've heard you. I want to give you my words that in no distant time I will do something about this. So you can go home and relax. Okay? You can go home and relax.
Okay, we'll talk about it.
Thank you very much.
Enogi Atokwe.
So you have come like you sent your children, the youths of this village, to come and harass me in my palace?
Enogi Atokwe, we have no idea of our children coming to your palace. Please, Enogi, forgive us and our children.
Forgive you and your children? Where has it been heard? Where has it been seen?
I'm sorry, that is not why we are here.
So why are you here?
We have waited a long time for your response. Will you seem silent?
My fellow chief, please calm down. It hasn't come to this.
It has come to this. Allow me speak my mind. Two weeks, Enogi. In 2 weeks, if no response from you, you will hear from us.
Will you hold it there? Just hold it there. Tell me, where has it been heard or seen that the king cried in the presence of his subjects? Where?